Preston, you know what I like to do?
What do you like to do?
I like to think of ways that I picture Jesus.
Oh man, me too.
You know, I just picture Jesus as like a huge, angry beaver who's just running down, chopping everything he sees, just eating
Giant
things,
teeth.
sharpening sticks so he can
A pencil sharpener. Suck on this.
like a pencil sharpener, so he can fuel war and violence and other things in the world today.
I think Jesus is like a majestic eagle soaring over the United States, watching over everybody, kind of like Superman, but in eagle form. Great big wingspan. Just great big wingspan. He's always flying around helping people all the time.
I like to picture Jesus as a raging cartoon character, you know, with the crazy hair and the
Yeah.
power moves to like where, you know, like someone else is, Satan's done powered up to over 9,000 and he's powering up to over 20,000 because Satan is no match for the power of anime Jesus.
I like to picture Jesus as a ground mole, just in a ninja costume with ninja shuriken. He's just going underground, climbing underground, just helping the little ground critters of the world. He doesn't know where he's going because ground mole is blind. He's in ground mole form. He's underground, it's dark, can't see anyway. In ground mole, just keep going, using the ninja shuriken to help everyone under the ground all the time. That's what I think of Jesus.
That's very good.
Makes sense.
I like to picture Jesus as an
a beast.
underwater scuba diver who's searching for his treasure in the sea, and then he stumbles into Davy Jones's locker, so he has to find a way out and recruit members of Davy Jones' locker to overthrow Davy Jones, and then he has to go and find the pearls to give to the princess, because everybody knows the princesses love pearls. That's how I like to think of Jesus.
That's a great picture of Jesus.
I think of Jesus as just like not black, just anything but black.
That's a good form of Jesus.
Or
Great-
Mexican.
Great form of Jesus.
That's a great form of Jesus.
Or Arab. If he's not white, I don't accept him.
That's a good form of Jesus.
I like to think of Jesus as a great family dad. On November, you know, on Thanksgiving, just providing food for his whole family. You know, he gets the corn ready. He makes sure everyone's fed. He gets them just everything they need. Everything from Kentucky Fried Chicken to Coke.
Baby
It's all
Jesus is the
there.
best.
Thanksgiving morning for the feast. He doesn't do it just once. He does it multiple times for the whole family, not just the family living under one roof. Because he's just a caring kind of guy. That's how I think of Jesus.
I like the halos. That's what makes it for me.
I like to think that the halo is actually like some kind of mechanism that just cuts through everything. So when he sees someone he doesn't like, he just cuts their head off. That's how I think Jesus did it.
Jesus was a pacifist.
He definitely was.
Obama!